Good night. This is moment is Ponch is travel experience. Did you go sightseeing on your last trip? What was the most interesting place you visit? Yes, of course. I was precisely a place called Las Rocas, where on the end of the neighborhood there is double waterfall in Barichara. It is very beautiful and is good for camping. What is more another food you have tried on trip? Well, the food in the town of Santander is typical food. The most interesting there I was go. It is a typical animal from there. They each and learn from their animal comes the pipitoria, rice wind, various meat. What what was the most incredible activity you did on your tribe? What did you do? In the town of Barichara, I practice canoeing on the river a lot. Is similar to kayaking. You go down there into the river. The boat is only for two people. They have us all the protection equipment and recommend for you to practice it. Have you ever been backpacker? What is your opinion about this traveling style? This I have no been a backpacker, and I think it is unique experience. It also has each race, such as being from one transport to another, venturing where you are arriving or are stop sleeping anywhere but the satisfa- satisfaction satisfaction of nor is there. What was the most inspiring place you visited in your city? It seemed to me that Empress Calle de Barichara Museum was very experienced because they sell handicraft. Their bad some were very expensive. Some as have ponchos and Barichara figures in some remainder. I think I think they excess the cost. The rest was very right. Thank you.